All right, so the final step of our production is finishing, right? And this is one that kids really struggle with. They kind of get to the end of their production and they go, nah, I'm done, I don't need to do any more. But it's really important. First step here is filling any holes and gaps, right? Things from our nail heads, our screw heads, where you might have ended up with gaps between your pieces, stuff like that. I'm using here an actual wood filler. You can make your own of this quite easily by mixing together glue and sawdust, right? And that works really well as well. The next thing is doing our sanding, right? So making sure that our surface is actually nice and soft and smooth, right? Our wildlife isn't going to get splinters or anything like that, right? And it's actually, good and smooth. You want to leave time. This is the big thing, is between filling the holes, you've got to leave maybe, a few days up to a week between then doing the sanding. And the last part is applying our surface stain or our surface coat, varnish, oil, paint, whatever. The big thing here is you want it to be outdoors, right? So an outdoor decking oil or something like that. It needs to be made for outdoors. We also need it to be safe for our wildlife, right? A lot of birds and things like that will chew on our wooden houses, things like that. All right, so we need to make sure that whatever we're using is going to be safe for them to do that with. All right, and this will be something where you'll need to do a few coats. All right, so do a coat, leave it a week, come back, do another one.